hadin bagakan hun tokit jong ka IIT Guwahati kila deban IT ya ka kaipot halor ka jingtua jong tunum ka yingdor bar thawan bathamai ka jela kabala tua dang hagin gi khandiat banai ki baladam ya kabala tei hamau diang ki nongilam jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress hapok ka jingilam jong Presiden uba Andrian M Khan bar uba ban piralang basayo moy ubari Vice President habakran hakilat pathai kubor kil ong dag bakno bag jingtua jong tunum ka yingdor bar thawan bathamai jong ka jela kedi ka jingjur jong ka jingmam sap jong ka sarkar
Ini hari ini report banta begini keren syafam kejunjur jongkene kebamsap ke corruption apa pasti kejuni namarang ipai ke department ke boker nata apa lo bentar gila bangi ke corruption kadon his ban Henry chief minister jongi hak jaga ban penstong yaki Henry usuk kena penban yaki wekiwe ni mentaro nakalin juga media kila ke report ke bol ke department boker apa ban kejun bamsap Hawai day na home, juki police, ani day jong kakot kakya, ka health, ka education, power, social welfare, barka PWD. Hari ini mentak pam di kuat menekran, sekarang kena kadong bertek. Bangi bo chief minister jongi ulaju ekran sekarang kena. Bangi bagai kadong building collapse. Dan imut berkelihi, yo chief minister jongi bahaya kata kita report balai nak IT Guwahati. Pengikwa bagani kalong haka public domain. Henry Pat bonsin jaka bermatai kadaw yu bakulaps berpenai kata ke report ikumba kisu gore penba kisu yada rajab. Takada har bonsin ro hoba yakeli kiwei berpensyai kata ke bentak. Ki open man bangle homework ki maki. Takada ni ibu kata ke jikeli. Tahu engineer ro le ayu. Kita ki contractor ro kile ayu. Dengan try berpensyai kambah syukang kani idon iba pangkira iba day special juni bakal syai ni
aku bayu buat sekat screen ni sebelah kan down mah atau kata mendak tu aku memang drawing dari kumni belum dikan ka angkul support ekonomi possible support and kita mau kita experiment as observed on the site as per photograph. The same is not done with improper joints due to which desired strength will not be achieved. Next page covered. Next. Yes. Just go down, scroll it down. You see this one? We have support. Ini nazar joki kandung support kandung monolithic structure joki kikwa. Next covered. Joki cracks ni. Scroll down. No. Go up. Go up covered. Yes. Cracks the development joints develops. And we do not know kung bakal save this building, but the cracks are still there. It doesn't need cracks over here. So covered.
Next one.
The connection of the above beam BS53 is not proper. Casting does not seem monolithic as gap is visible at the connection. All these gaps there. Actually, the gaps are everywhere. Next convert. Bringo ang balik yo siya kam. Ni 2 weeks still, ni 2 weeks kiri, masaya ni for masap like this. Cukup no kayo ni unding favor. Nakasaka ko ni ke kabalimo kalau bawa UCM perlu ai kita press conference dulu UCM kita ketahui bah itu na kejing confidence UCM peringkat ni kejing Burma bah conference juga kejing Burma kejing pra kadum asal press pang penting yang ya taki CGI sheets ni taki mosaik ni taki yang berpecah kadum kalau kenika sendiri lagi kebeling kalau safe ni Kau mau minta kalau safe filiat pun tak, ini kata method pelengkap kenapa kita boleh safe. At the same time, kejeng long ki brush everything under the carpet. Kisah mai ba kita kebeling lagi siapa room. Jadi designers kita kiba tray room kundi jai kami pun dicakap. Jadi lap ini makan report. Kadang ke halindar ke bangi pet ba korok pet ba kena lagi di baki betul macam lap ni report. Nilap huge scale corruption problem ni. But coba smusi kalau the print of so the print they can come like project management consultants tahu melihat election yang kasem jom chief minister ini kadang kejenia benda objek jom tak edmiau katam kepang kepangsan ko state ini nimna kumki patba kumki kongres tu nimna berchus nafsa ini bagi apa dewa dunia bagi lawan dunia pakai ini dia mengi konten pas patba om suya ndeka election agenda ketika jom patba ketika do ketika assembly building di patba kalau dalam kam ini ada kam yang stakeholders profile bangnya ilmunya we won't go with the smiles neck to kajunong ka PR skills yang usiam ka usiam yang sangat nak kamera ngidangnya wa chuchu ngit skam media press media komentar itu darangi pet Newski mencuah Chief Minister Jongi mandat sama ai kena press conference halor ko bayre baka report jong kai ki Guwahati kabidi baka collapse untuk ka assembly building ka Jongi akum kata report ki boong siam it is a 500 page report tiaka 500 page report last summarize tangah pot likely sentence the first boong kadang argumenta part A kadiba the dome weight was too heavy saw hajasan spa kilo kebaar lack of coordination between the designers, contractors and the project management consultants kepada KPMG. Part 2 part biang ba ka building ibran time ta katong safe and as per standards. Dalai ka 500 page report nak summarize tam hapo lai sentence. Adi ba summarize po pet bahan. Terlibat ni ki summarization jong CM ni ikajing bure kebukuan ke ba kapag kipat ba kini bantip kapag kami ang presiden hapan mo pa tumin ka report tingin na kailang ka youth congress na lihat kapag mo zongi na kendo kibriyo very reliable sources iba ay ngipat ka perspective jong ki designers jong ka building na report mengiyo mangin kini jong to ai kitan kintiat kimat kibang ko apan issue show halok ka report ba IT Guwahati ki designers ki omba kada go statement ki omba ni ki kat niyo kanan adherence to the drawing issue kakun ka drawing block pen create ki designers ki contractors ki project management consultants ki claim de thing kabaan kabak ki dan ka wi ka statement ki ai makku ki kadan ka poor workmanship and execution ka kontrak ka tertiba par ka company kam ka tertiba mat kebalai ko ini report joki keriba ke testing facility mat kamdan wala ka demand exam pakadi bandal test for the adherence to the strength of materials and cube tests are required for quality assurance ke kaniru kabenta kamdan te means ki presentation hange po ki drawings ni yo ki hadim bala para ka kadum adon ke inquiry bala bun ki dur pemit tu ibangi pet ba mi yo kadum po nomor bala seal of itu zakat. Ini hari ini kidur. Macam politik ni report hendak IP atau CM akan 3 sentences. Cukup dia ka report mah. There were improper joints due to which the desired strength was not achieved. Joints jongki column, jongki beams. It seems that the reinforcement embedment in the beam is missing. Once idang tertib panjang. Then ya kini ki ya accommodate yung beam atau BS51 yung beam yung bahan komsna kay banong monolithic banong syuruk penrai syuruk ka ni ka tinabar ka ng syuruk column A ni katab kondon yung kapun ki crack develop ni iba katab ng absent kaya kadon sa ka there was no concrete bonding on face of BS53 and BS51 pun technical menginum dayatan ispitang kini ki during development issue with Kamshai wide lab due to which the beams are not adequately anchored and led to the separation of the beam from the column. Then kadang sekali kabir omba inadequate strength of building materials. The further reasons for failure could include the basic materials subject to testing by third-party agency in the presence of all stakeholders. However, inadequate curing of structural members in spite of using correct material quality and quantity may also have led to inadequate strength, poor workmanship and execution. The photographs attached to Exhibit E, it shows poor workmanship and no adherence to drawing issued. And kita ni the columns, the stub columns are out of beam and out of alignment. Then kita ulang kita yang pilih show. Then kita sekarang ini lipat kedua. Jadi lipat allotment of contract. Kamu kata hari ini project perfect kamu ini kedua ai kontrak mau train. Ya ka tender kontrak ayu ada UPRNN. Bakal ada clause 39.1 ng tender condition ko ang hang subletting dan subcontracting. Ka UPRNN kamu akan ai para sapo persen ke kamu sakti subcontract. Di subcontract mereka dulu ke PRC Badirai Construction. Kami ko implement ang 10%, ka implement 6% kita kamu tayo ko dulu. Kaya kung ba tani ka PRC initially for the tender kung as reject in the first place na kapilindi. Ka PRC kayo pagtrehintay din ba pagbago channel kusuki. Ka UPRNN ka use ka PRC ka use ka credentials ng UPRNN makanya tray ka pagtrehintay. Kini ko firm ka PRC ka pentray ikam apo pulos supermarket commercial complex ka pentray kisro apo Bajendowa ka pentray ka sport complex Kultura. Tinggi kini PRC figure pang po ki kampung Meghalaya. Kaya ka visible bang sama tao kapitri ka PRC. Tingin mo bala na ka firm ko ba ang lagi man blacklist ni for bahap dumi.